Welcome back to Nikki the Analyst. Remember to like, subscribe. You can tweet me at Nikki the Analyst. You can also follow me at Nikki the Analyst. I'm on all platforms as Nikki the Analyst, except my LinkedIn, where it's Nicole Agurchnig. Yeah, you can figure that out, find it. Yes, people always ask where that last name come from. Yes, my husband's Austrian German. Yes, and yes, I can spell it. And yes, it did take me a while to learn how to pronounce it correctly. Those are common questions I get asked. So, and can I speak German? Ich lerne zu sprechen Deutsch. So that just means I'm learning to speak German. So there's probably if anyone here speaks German is probably yelling like, you said that wrong. Tschüss. That just means bye. All righty, so back to nesting in dictionaries. This one is going to be in action. If you watched my last video, we just went over how to do it in theory, but we did not do a print statement. And what does print mean? It means it tells you something. We didn't input anything, which means you input. And here we're just going to print. There'll be no inputting. Only what I'm going to put into this lovely IDE. So to get started, like I said, if you watched the last video, this is very familiar. We were making a travel log, and what are hard brackets? Hard brackets are lists. And what is a curly bracket? That is a dictionary. Yes. For those at home who got that, gold star for you. So this is a dictionary inside of a list. All right. So this is, I think, the last part we did. So it's country. This is a travel log of where we visited. I have not visited these places yet, but hopefully soon. So country, France. We did 12 visits and we've been to the cities of Paris, Lille, I think it's Lille, and Dijon, not the mustard. Anyways, go back to last video. There was a whole joke about that. Anyways, next one is country, is Germany, pronounced in German, Deutschland. Visits 5, and the cities of Berlin, Hamburg, and Stuttgart. That is the German pronunciation, or English, Berlin, Hamburger, and Stuttgart. All right. So this is an assignment that I did, not assignment, just like a study assignment I did. And that's also going to be in the notes on the Udemy course that I got a lot of this stuff from me. And you don't even have to download an IDE for that. You can use something called Repellent. I use that in early videos. Download it. It's normally like, and if it's normally it's $200. Wait, Udemy always has sales. Get it when it's 14 bucks like I did. All righty. So okay, all right. So this little red thing right here, just following the assignments, it says do not change the code above. So don't change it. I didn't change it. You don't change it. Then it says to do, write a function that will allow new countries to be added in the travel log. And you see that it has the lovely hashtags. It's about the hashtags. It's going to think it's supposed to do something there. So that's why you'll see hashtags. And this kind of goes back to my last video when I said people will leave notes in their code because sometimes you're like, well, what do they do? And there'll be notes. And that's how you put the notes. It's the hashtags. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's add some new countries. So we got to make the definitions of what we're going to put. So we've done this before. So put a definition, and we're literally going to do what it says, add new countries. So let's go name it. Add new countries. All right. And here we go. And like we did in other videos, I got the arguments. Someone out there knows arguments versus functions. You'll remember in that function, we're going to put the argument. That's what it is. If I'm wrong, I apologize. This is unscripted. I just do the work beforehand and then I record it. So I don't, sometimes I write little notes like dictionaries. That's my note. Okay. So times underscore visited. Right? Because we're doing what like it was here. So countries visited, times visited, and we're gonna do cities visited, underscore visited. And And what do I always forget to put at the end of this? Pink, there we go. All right, so new country, right? Equals, that's whatever is in the curly brackets, right? Make sure that we're good here. I see a lot of squiggly lines. Adding countries visit times. Okay, we're good. We're good. Sorry, I just got to make sure. So we're going to put new country because we needed to know what we're doing here. Okay, and then we're going to put in our hard brackets. There we go. And then so when it knows that the country, there we go. It's country, and then country visited. No, we don't need a comma after that. For some reason, I thought we did. So new country, hard brackets, and then next thing you know, visits, because this is following. Right now, we're putting it in as it would be up here in our travel log. You see that? See, we have country, we have visits, okay? And we're gonna have times visited, because it's also got to align with this right here. There's a lot of things going on here. And then the final one is, parentheses, not parentheses. It's not a parentheses. Cities equal cities visited. Okay. All right. And we're gonna travel log dot append. I think we've used that before. Have we used append before? If not, let me give you an exact definition of append in Python. I am Googling that. So it says the append method in Python adds a single item to an existing list. It doesn't return a new list of items, but will modify the original list by adding the item to the end of the list. Just in case we have not done appends in my videos before, but I know I've used append myself before in using Python. So now we know what append means. So if you're like, we've never discussed this. Oh, and I'm like, I knew I was forgetting something here. We are, so this is the bottom part of the homework or the worksheet, not homework. Did do it at home. It already has what we're going to add in there. So the bottom part of this, thought I copy and paste all of it. It's okay. It's okay. It says do not change the code below. See where it says do not change the code above? Do not change the code below. Yeah, see. And when we did this, we would have known that's why it says add new country, even though I just wrote add new countries, but since this code was already here, and as you can see, it's already saying what it wants to add. It wants to add Russia, because it's gonna visit in Russia. We've been visited 2 times. And the cities are Moscow and St. Petersburg. So now we're gonna go ahead and print our travel log, and let's just hope that with me copying and pasting things that I'm mess things up. If not, we will go to my other screen. Okay, let's run. Yes, what did I do wrong? Okay, so let's look. Line 26. Okay. Add new country. Oh, because I put new countries. Who's seen that? Someone's seen it. It's like they're not adding up. Okay, is there a space between there? No. All right. See, me tells you, did you mean add new countries? All right, let's try again. There it goes. So it added new countries. No, let me print it out. Let me scroll over, but it has France. We visited France 12 times. Cities, Paris, Lille, Dijon. Country, Germany, visits 5. Cities, Berlin, Hamburg, and Stuttgart. And country, Russia, visits 2, Moscow, and St. Petersburg. So that's how it's going to print out. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Like I said, trying to keep the video short and concise, because who wants to watch a 30-minute video? I don't. I will admit, when I'm looking at things up on YouTube, I look for the shortest videos to give me the information the fastest, because that's just how my brain processes things. But trying to make short videos. Hopefully you enjoyed the short video. If not, make a complaint in the comments and to make longer videos, and I'll figure out. I'll just combine a couple of things. But thank you. Remember to like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram, and you can follow me on Twitter, and you can find me on LinkedIn under Nicole Gertschnig. If you can find it, please send me, when you send me an add-in message or whatever, say, hey, I figured out how to spell your last name. Uh, and there's only 2 Nicole Gertschnigs on LinkedIn, me and my cousin, my husband's cousin in Austria. So yeah, there's only 2 of us. You'll find me. All right, that's it. Talk to you later, and stop in the video.